In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are.
Our hearts beat to the city street.
Surprise! Kala ko sino.
Good morning po. Good morning po.
Oh, may bunga na yung papaya.
Patin tubig.
Okay lang?
Sige, tuloy kayo dyan. Ala, natira.
Namatay ata yung grapes ni mama.
Singit nga, di ko nga alam.
Dinigan mo.
Tigiligan yan.
Oh, paano namatay?
Kumusta?
Aliran mo din. May isang pati na. Ano ba? Yun. Oo. Sabi ni Mama. Basag, ihurulog na yan doon. Ito pa, ang gupit ko lang kahapon.
And speaking of engagements, guys.
Happy birthday, Angie, on 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Angie! Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Angie. We love that. Tulad sinabi ko, nakaka-inspire talaga yung hard work na binibigay every single time. And the good vibes, no? Nakaka-GV. You always bring right here on the stage. Just like our next ASAP concert performer who has been an inspiration to a lot, actually to everyone right here in ABS-CBN. And we're talking about the one, the only, Mr. Gary Valenciano. Of course. Donnie, paano ka ba na-inspire ng sobra-sobra, Mr. Gary?
Grabe si Tito Gary, syempre big part ng buhay namin lahat yan. Ever since I was a child, you know, I remember watching his concerts. But at the same time, nakita namin na may naka-plug sa katawan niya. And ako as a child, I would always wonder, ano kaya yun? Until I finally figured out, and they told me na syempre, diabetic siya. And the fact that he's alive is a miracle in itself. And the fact that he is already 60
Yes.
and still does everything
Still
he does
blows my head.
every day. Sobrang
Ano-ano
nakaka-inspire, sobrang
Dar-
natin yan.
Ito na nga
And
daw.
the world is a better place because of Gary Valenciano.
That's it! And everyone feels so inspired.
Yes.
Diba? And today, he's gonna continue to bring that inspiration dito sa ASAP stage with the equally inspiring singing champions as well. ASAP Concert presents Eric Santos, Jonah, and Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano!
Pero, 60 pa lang yan.
Today,
Sino ang 60?
Gary,
Concert, I say special.
paniwala, 60 pa lang yan.
Oo.
Ang ASAP na makapag-
Eh, di ba matanda na yan?
Iyo, tanda.
Hindi, syempre peke.
Para kantaan, ang dati noon
You
pa.
know, there's something
Peke yung
about
edad niya, no?
the miracle and the power of music. And this song is a song that spoke to this dear friend of mine that I'm going to sing this with. And maybe this is the time that this song
Ano bang pa-apelin ng parang
I'd
nananalo.
like to sing this song with none other than Eric Santos.
Kulang yun sa exercise. Kulang ka ng vitamin B complex ata pag ganyan eh. Yung parang nagkakalambre.
You too. Wabu.
Mr. Bird, you can just wait inside and we'll Mr. Bird.
Hadaw.
Ang Pilipino, iba ang maluwag.
Sa Pilato.
Pusa. Narinig mo?
Okay.
May pusa, di ba? Ah, hindi sa kanya.
What?
Oo. Ah, okay. Mabuti. Hmm.